Accountant. An accountant is a person who works with money. They help businesses and people manage their finances. This includes keeping track of how much money is coming in and how much is going out. Accountants make sure everything is recorded correctly. They also help people and businesses plan for the future by understanding their financial situation. One of the main tasks of an accountant is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the process of recording all financial transactions. Every time money is spent or received, the accountant makes a note of it. This helps businesses understand where their money is going. It is important to keep accurate records because businesses need to know if they are making a profit or losing money. Another important job for an accountant is preparing financial statements. Financial statements are reports that show the financial health of a company. These include the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. The balance sheet shows what the company owns and what it owes. The income statement shows how much money the company has earned and spent over a period of time. The cash flow statement shows how much cash is coming in and going out. Accountants also help with taxes. They prepare tax returns for businesses and individuals. Tax returns are forms that show how much income was earned and how much tax needs to be paid. The tax laws can be very complex, so accountants need to know a lot about them. They make sure their clients pay the correct amount of tax and take advantage of any deductions or credits they are entitled to. In addition to taxes, accountants also help businesses with budgeting. A budget is a plan for how to spend money in the future. Businesses need to know how much money they will have and what they can afford to spend. Accountants help create budgets and track spending to make sure the business stays on track. Accountants often work closely with business owners and managers. They give advice on how to improve the financial health of the company. This might include finding ways to cut costs or increase profits. Accountants can also help with decisions about big purchases or investments. For example, if a company wants to buy new equipment, the accountant can help decide if it is a good idea based on the company's financial situation. Many accountants work for businesses, but some also work for individuals. Personal accountants help people with their personal finances. They might help with budgeting, taxes, or planning for retirement. Personal accountants also give advice on saving money and making smart investments. To become an accountant, a person usually needs to go to college and study accounting or finance. After finishing college, many accountants take a special exam to become a certified public accountant, CPA. Being a CPA means the accountant has passed a test and has the skills needed to do the job. It is a very respected certification in the accounting field. Accountants need to have strong math skills, but they also need to be good at paying attention to details. A small mistake in the numbers can cause big problems for a business. They also need to be honest and trustworthy because they work with sensitive financial information. Technology has changed the way accountants work. Many tasks that used to be done by hand are now done by computer. There are many software programs that help with bookkeeping, preparing financial statements, and filing taxes. Accountants need to be comfortable using technology and learning new software as it becomes available. Despite the changes in technology, the role of an accountant is still very important. Businesses rely on accountants to help them understand their finances and make smart decisions. Without accountants, It would be hard for businesses to keep track of their money and plan for the future. In conclusion, accountants play a vital role in both businesses and individuals' financial lives. They handle bookkeeping, prepare financial statements, help with taxes, and provide valuable advice. Becoming an accountant requires education and certification, and the job requires attention to detail, honesty, and a good understanding of math. Technology may have changed how accountants do their work, but their role remains essential.